the previous videos, we just launched a new cool integration with Pabbly that lets you automate a bunch of process to create amazing videos and take your marketing strategy to the next level. So let's go! So what we're gonna do is take some tweets from Tesla and turn them into videos. So any page or kind of bloggy style that wants to keep their users up to date with the latest trends can do this with a more entertaining format such as videos. If you're not following us already, make sure to click the subscribe button. I don't know where it is, like around here. First, as you know, we're gonna go to Pabbly and we're gonna choose on the connect option. So we're just gonna click on the access now and it's gonna take us to create. Basically what I did was select Tesla as the username. I just connected to my Twitter account. So I choose as the next step Woxo and generate new video. And what we're gonna do is, save and send the test request so we can get the success code that we're gonna use later on. For the next step, we're just gonna add a short delay in here, and as always, I saved it. So step number 4 is that we're gonna choose Woxo once again, this time to get the video and test it. From in here, we're gonna get a URL that we're gonna use on our final step. So moving to the last step, we are gonna connect this. I want to publish on my Facebook page, and basically what I did was just copy the video. So once I save and test here, I just go into my Facebook page, and here is the new updates from Tesla video. So there we go, guys, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you really liked them. Yes, I kept my company here, they're all my friends, this one's Mary. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any comments or suggestions, please reach out to us. You can drop like a comment below and stay tuned for more videos to come. Have a lovely day. Ay, perdón, era fuerte antes, así entraba, ¿cómo se llama yo? Grande. Sorry, there's a bird outside.